Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I hate to tell you this, but the microphone quit on this unboxing and description of the WYBOT Robotic Cleaner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly do a Godzilla-style overdub, give you all the key information, then I'm going to show you how it works, and then at the end, the microphone was working when I did the review, when I pulled it out to see how well it worked. So let me quickly tell you, this is an automatic pool vacuum. It has 2 drive motors, has 3 timing functions, and a 33-foot swiveling floating cable, which kind of confused me until I got it, and I was like, oh man, this is genius. It has a brush on the bottom. It works on above ground and in-ground pools. And my favorite thing about it is its name. It is the Grampus 400, which just sounds to me like some cranky old grandpa from had too much turkey on Thanksgiving or something like that. A couple more things just to really quickly tell you. Those are 150 watt high power motors, and I'm telling you, this thing motored around. It is so fun the way it propels itself by shooting water out, and that's what moves it around in the pool. Super cool. It's not battery operated, so it is really light, easy to work with, and you never have to worry about charging it or charging batteries or changing batteries short running time. It has a super easy remote control, which you just select if you want it to run for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. And then if you need to adjust its pattern a little bit, you just change the angle of those outlets. They're like kind of like look like vents for your car air conditioning, and you just kind of turn it a little bit, and that makes the robot turn in one direction or the other while it's driving around. Super easy. Let me show you a little bit what it looks like while it's working, and then we'll take it out. I'll show you what the results were, give you my review overall after I've used it. All right, so I've let it run for 2 hours today. Let's pull this out and see what it has collected from the bottom of my pool. Hopefully there won't be too much because I'm paying a pool guy to do this until this actually works, and then the pool guy's out. Well, this part is certainly easy. All right, let me put it on the table. Let's take a look what's inside. Oh, wow. Maybe it's time for a new pool guy, or replace the pool guy with the robot. Let me show you what we got in here. Look at that. Very first time running, and I only ran it for 2 hours. Obviously, we have lots of sand. We're here in Florida. I see some of my dog's fur. Couple little like millipedes or something like that. Yeah, and some basic like little debris. Wow, so this obviously did a ridiculously good job. This is incredible, honestly, for the first time using it. I do really like the fact that it doesn't have a battery. It makes life a little bit easier. You just kind of plug it in, put it in. You don't have to worry about charging it, that kind of stuff. Also makes it super easy to get it out. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Super cool. I really appreciate that. Oh, and just so you know, all you need to do is take a hose, rinse out the filter, rinse out the inside. You're ready to go the next time. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.